Start by finding a comfortable and quiet space, free from distractions. As you settle into your space, whether it's sitting or laying down, take a few moments to center yourself. Close your eyes and begin to focus on your breath, taking slow and deep inhalations through the nose and exhaling gently through the mouth. Let go of any tension in your body, allowing your muscles to relax. Clear your mind of any thoughts or worries and simply be present in this moment. Let go of expectations and judgment and allow yourself to fully be present with the words that will follow. Be open to the experience and let your heart and mind be receptive to the positive energy and affirming words you will hear. I am deserving of love and affection. I am open to giving and receiving love unconditionally. I am attracting loving and supportive people into my life. I am worthy of a healthy and fulfilling relationship. I am letting go of past hurt and embracing new love. I am attracting a partner who cherishes and respects me. I am cultivating trust and honesty in my relationships. I am letting go of fear and opening my heart to love fully. I am attracting a partner who shares my values and dreams. I feel open and receptive to love in my life. I feel worthy of receiving love and affection. I feel secure and confident in my relationships. I feel supported and understood by my partner. I feel happy and content in the presence of my partner. I feel inspired to nurture and grow my love every day. I feel my heart expanding with love for myself and others. I feel free to love deeply without fear of judgment. I feel open to giving and receiving love in all its beautiful forms. I do choose to love and accept myself unconditionally. I do prioritize communication and understanding in my relationships. I do let go of past relationship issues and embrace a fresh start. I do open my heart to give and receive love freely. I do honor and respect my partner's needs and boundaries. I do see the beauty and uniqueness in each person I encounter. I do communicate my feelings and desires honestly and respectfully. I do believe in the potential for growth and evolution in my love life. I do celebrate the love and joy that surrounds me every day. I love and accept myself completely, just as I am. I love being open and vulnerable in my relationships. I love expressing my affection and appreciation to my partner. I love creating beautiful and cherished memories with my partner. I love supporting my partner's dreams and aspirations. I love cultivating trust and understanding in my relationships. I love being a source of love and positivity in my relationships. I love attracting and manifesting love in all areas of my life. I love being present and fully engaged in every relationship. I speak openly and honestly about my feelings and needs. I speak words that uplift and inspire my partner and loved ones. I speak words that build trust and communicate a strong foundation in my relationships. I speak from a place of empathy and active listening in my interactions. I speak words that heal and bring resolutions to conflicts in my relationship. I speak words that strengthen the emotional connection with my partner. I speak lovingly to myself, nurturing a positive self-image in my relationship. I speak words that manifest and attract love into my life. I speak words of commitment and dedication to the growth of my love. I see the love and kindness that surrounds me every day. I see the value of open and honest communication in my relationships. I see the joy and happiness that love brings into my life. I see the power of forgiveness and compassion in healing relationship wounds. I see the potential for a deep, meaningful connection with my partner. I see the significance of celebrating and cherishing my loved ones. I see the power of setting healthy boundaries in my relationship. I see the potential for creating a loving and harmonious environment. I see the limitless possibilities for love and connection in my life. I understand that love begins with self-acceptance and self-love. I understand my partner's needs and strive to support and fulfill them. I understand each person's journey is unique, and I respect their path. I understand that conflicts are opportunities for growth and understanding. I understand that love is a constant journey of learning and evolving. I understand that I am responsible for my emotions and reactions. I understand the importance of balancing personal space and togetherness. I understand the need to communicate and respect my own boundaries. I understand that compromise is a key element of harmonious relationships. As you continue your day, remember how important your health is. Take a moment to appreciate the care you give to your body, mind, and spirit. Let positive vibes be your guide to a full life of energy and happiness. Here's to your ongoing wellness, creating a positive vibe that brightens up your life and the lives of those you touch.